the efficiency of a transformer, okay, or in any other device, you consider neta, okay, neta is equivalent to output power by input power. Output power by input power. Here, in case of a transformer, if it is a step down, 11,000 volts I am giving, 415 volts I am getting as an output. Okay, here the current in the primary will be less, let us say 100 amps. In case of secondary current, it will be 10,000 amps. Okay, ultimately power P1 should be equal to P2, but in case of P2 you have some losses. Okay, let us say copper loss, iron loss, okay, and heating, etc. All these losses should be combined with your P2 in order to get a good efficiency, or your losses should be minimized in order to get your P2 as a good value. Okay, so in that case neta will become output by output plus losses. Input power is nothing but output plus losses, okay, which is equivalent to 1 minus losses by output plus losses. If the losses are very less, you will get a good efficiency. Okay, you will get a good efficiency. So there are two types of losses we have already discussed. One is core loss, iron loss, okay, and I square R loss, which is copper loss. Core loss is also called as a constant loss. I square loss is also called as a variable loss because current is a factor which will vary. There are other losses which are also called as eddy current losses or leakage in the fields. Okay, flux will leak, which will create eddy currents, okay, in the tanks, walls and the conductors. And dielectric losses, this is caused by insulating materials. Okay, all these losses should be minimized as less as possible, then only you will get a better neta value or efficiency, right? So for deriving efficiency, we will consider this transformer which is having V1 as a primary voltage, I1 as a primary current, I2 as a secondary current, V2 as secondary voltage, and having a load Z. Okay, having a load Z. Let us consider this as Z2. Okay, so here output power is nothing but V2 I2 cos pi 2. Okay, V2 I2 into cos pi 2. V2 I2 into cos pi 2, okay, where cos pi 2 is nothing but the power factor, right? Neta is equal to, from this equation, output power by input power, or output power by output plus losses. From any of these equations we can get V2 I2 cos pi 2 is the power, okay, divided by V2 I2 cos pi 2, which is your output power, plus Pi, iron loss, I square R, I square 2 R2, which is the copper loss. Okay, this is nothing but your final efficiency equation. V2 I2 cos phi 2 divided by V2 I2 cos phi 2 plus Pi, where Pi is the iron loss, I square 2 R2 is nothing but the copper loss. Okay, when you further check where R2 is the equivalent resistance of a transformer referred to the secondary, the equation would become V2 cos phi 2, V2 cos theta 2 or phi 2, okay, plus Pi divided by I2 plus I2 R2, which is the, when considering R2 as the equivalent resistance, neta will become this thing. Okay, so for a given power factor, the efficacy or the efficiency will vary with respect to the load current. Load current is nothing but your I2 only. Okay, so the maximum efficiency will be achieved. The maximum efficiency will be achieved when the denominator term, okay, denominator term is less. That is I square 2 R2 is equivalent to pi or Pi, where iron loss is equivalent to the copper loss Pi, okay, sorry, iron loss Pi, okay, that is I square R, okay, when iron loss Pi is equivalent to copper loss I square R, then you will get the maximum efficiency. So when copper loss is equal to iron loss, or when variable loss is equal to constant loss, we'll get maximum efficiency, which is equal to I2, which is equal to under root Pi by R2. Okay, I square RT, no, T we just ignore. I square R2 is equal to Pi, where I2 is equal to under root of Pi by.
Because P is not divisible.
Just a second. So when I square R2 is equal to Pi, which is equal to I2 is equal to under root Pi by R2, will give you maximum efficiency. When secondary current is equal to under root of power by secondary equivalent resistance, then you will get a maximum efficiency. This formula you have to remember very clearly, right?